Hi ladies, it's Miss Kibbing. Sorry I'm not in class today. I did want to take a little bit of time to talk about your community app and give you some information on that project. This project has been adapted from the Congressional App Challenge that some of my students last semester competed in, and it's part of the Project Lead the Way curriculum. For this project, you can work either individually or with a partner. You are going to be creating this app in MIT App Inventor, and you're also going to do some planning. You're going to create a backlog, sprint tasks, and also sketch out your app. Here's some requirements for the app. It needs to be original, and it needs to be solely owned by you so that no party has any rights or interest, whether known or unknown. So you need to make sure that any audio or video or pictures that you use, you have access to actually use those pieces of media. For this project, not only are you going to be doing the planning work and actually developing the app, but you're also going to create a demonstration video that explains how your app works. In your video, you need the name or names of each participant, the name of your app. You need to clearly explain the purpose of the app. You should probably be able to do this in about one sentence. You should explain the app's target audience, so who is the app intended for, and then you're going to talk about the tools and coding languages used to create the app, and then you're going to show how the app is used. The video should end up being about 1 to 3 minutes long, and it should be clear and compelling. We'll go through some production best practices either next week or after spring break. Once you complete your video, though, you're going to upload it to YouTube or Vimeo or any other video hosting site. We'll talk about rubrics and some other information next week when I get back, but for today, what I want you to focus in on is deciding what app you want to create, whether you want to work individually or with a partner, and then I really want you focused on the planning. So use the document that's in Schoology to sketch out your app, create your backlog, and then your sprint tasks. If you finish that today, then you can go ahead and go into MIT App Inventor and start developing. If you have any questions, just send me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, and have a great weekend.